is YouTube and how to start a channel? YouTube is a video sharing website where users can upload and share videos. YouTube is the second most visited website in the world and the third most popular search engine. YouTube was founded by Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim on February 14, 2005. YouTube has evolved from a video sharing site to a social media site where people can connect with their friends and followers. There are many ways to start a channel on YouTube. The easiest way is to click on Sign in the upper right corner of any page, then click Create Channel. You'll need to give your channel a name and provide an email address for your account. You can also create a channel in the My Channels section of your YouTube account by clicking on the Create Channel button in the upper right corner of your homepage. How to get started on YouTube as a new YouTuber. YouTube is a great way of getting your voice heard and making money. It is one of the most popular video sites on the internet, and it has grown exponentially over the years. You will need to start by creating a YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money off of YouTube, but you will need to be consistent with your content in order for it to work. There are two main ways that you can do this. 1. AdSense. 2. Sponsorships. AdSense is a way for you to monetize your videos by placing ads before them or after them. What this means is that if someone watches your video, they will see an ad before or after it, which will generate revenue for you. Sponsorships are when a company pays you upfront in order for them to have their product featured in your video or have their logo on your channel's banner. Types of sponsorships. A primary sponsorship is when a company pays for the entirety of a video. A secondary sponsorship is when a company pays for smaller parts of your video, or an ad. A continuing sponsorship is when a company pays continuously for the duration of your video. A pre-sale sponsorship is when a company pays before they are able to sell the product. Ideas for videos and types of video content. Types of video content. Explainer videos. Product videos. Promotional videos. Educational or training videos. Corporate video content, e.g. annual reports, marketing video content, e.g. TV ads, customer testimonial videos, product introduction videos, how-to videos, video production services, videography and production of corporate videos, live streaming services, e.g. Facebook Live, Periscope, webinar production and hosting, social media video production. Digital marketing video production, student or faculty video productions, audio production, news media video production. Conclusion: why starting a YouTube channel is the best social media strategy for young entrepreneurs. YouTube is the second most popular social media platform on the internet. It has 1.9 billion monthly active users as of December 2018. It is also a great marketing channel for young entrepreneurs because it is an effective way to build their personal brand and get their business noticed. The perks of self-publishing are that it helps to build more trust between the writer and their audience. It also allows the writer to create work without any interference from a publisher or other third party. This can help reduce the risk of publishing a book because it is not reliant on someone else's opinion. Lastly, it allows authors to control how they want their book displayed on Amazon, providing them with full discretion over their marketing efforts. In addition, Amazon's sponsored search ads program allows authors to make their books visible to potential readers who are looking for content in a certain category or topic. Amazon's Author Central is an invaluable resource for authors seeking advice on how to maximize their marketing efforts. This section gives authors access to relevant information and articles as well as the tools they need in order to maximize their visibility on Amazon.